Welcome back. Well, just a beauty out there today, albeit on the warm side, but the dew points are down, and it's going to stay that way for tomorrow. Rain chances staying down as well. So we're kind of through the midsummer hump. That is actually August 16th. That's the average hottest middle point of the summer. So now cruising toward fall, but it's still about 6 to 8 weeks away. In between tropical season, we got a couple of potential troublemakers out there. We'll get to that in just a bit, but let's take a look at the upper level pattern. The water vapor imagery, high pressure building across much of the U.S. and also banking into our part of the world, and those north winds helping to dry us out in the wake of a weak frontal boundary that was in concert with this upper level low that dropped to the Gulf of Mexico during the course of the last 24 hours or so. So now we have this drier flow aloft, and that usually translates to no higher than a 10% chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but if they do pop up, they can be quite strong. But I think rain chances staying pretty low through tomorrow. They'll perk up a little bit, we think, for Wednesday into the 20 to 30% range. So nice and quiet across the region, Gulf of Mexico and most of the Caribbean quiet, but we do have a new wave that we're watching. And oh, by the way, this is Hurricane Genevieve out here in the Pacific. This is going to become a major storm, but should go just south of Baja, but nonetheless active on the Pacific side as well. But we have two disturbances that the National Hurricane Center is tracking, one here by the eastern Caribbean, one in the mid-tropical Atlantic. Both pretty low latitude storms, but they are both expected to develop this week. And by the way, the next names queued up are Laura and Marco. So here we go here with the development, chance of development. Hurricane Center now upping this to a 60% chance of developing, heading more than likely toward the Gulf of Mexico, and the other one now up to a 90% chance of development. And if we take a look at the spaghetti models, it's that time of year. Well, it looks like we're going to have to watch this for the Gulf and maybe the East Coast. Again, can't trust these tropical models quite yet. But interestingly enough, both of them are developing these systems into hurricanes. One or both could be majors, so we'll have to wait and see on that. But the bottom line, it is that time of year we're going to have to watch these storms. Now, European model takes the lead one. This is 97L. It makes it a tropical wave or a weak disturbance, while strengthening 98L up to a tropical storm or hurricane that will threaten perhaps the Bahamas, perhaps South Florida, but these models are not set in stone. Just going 7 days out now. Then you look at the GFS model, and the GFS develops the first one, 97L, to a tropical storm, potentially a hurricane, while the second one doesn't look like much, but all the moisture heading for the Gulf of Mexico. So bottom line, we're going to have to watch these systems, and a lot can change. But right now, we're not forecasting any local impacts on any tropical systems, but that could change a week from today for sure. So in the near term, nice and quiet. Enjoy that. And it's going to be a nice quiet day tomorrow, albeit on the hot side. Temperatures get into the low to mid 90s, but humidity staying low, rain chances staying low. And then we do it all over again going into Wednesday, but a few more pop-up showers and thunder showers. We'll go with rain chance at about 20, perhaps 30%. So nice evening overall, lower 70s. Some spots might get upper 60s, but again, our ground temperature is so warm, it's hard to get into the upper 60s this time of year. And then tomorrow, another nice one. Temperatures in the low to mid 90s, but the humidity low. That's why I'm calling it nice. I like it when the humidity's down, even though we still get that 95-degree reading. Temperatures in the lower 90s as we round out the week and head into the weekend, with rain chances perking up a little bit later this weekend. Next week, we'll have to wait and see if we have anything more interesting in store, but we do think we'll see a better chance of daytime showers and storms. That's it for weather for right now. Now over to Marcel.